Good evening, everyone. Hello, my name is Frida Damayanti.
And my name is Shiko Mizaha in class 441B and 01.
And my name is 44251741.
And my name is 44251518.
Alright, today we are going to present a dialogue about the future and hope in the coming years. We hope you enjoy our dialogue. Let's begin.
Damai, in your opinion, what are your future plans after graduate from school?
Makasih Pak. After I graduate from school, I plan to open my business. I believe that being an entrepreneur will give me freedom and valuable experience for my future.
That sounds interesting. What kind of business do you want to open?
I want to open a business in the culinary field, especially a snack shop. I enjoy cooking and experimenting with flowers. So I think the business with my passion.
Why did you choose culinary business instead of another life?
I chose culinary business because food is always needed by people. Everyone eats every day, so the market opportunity is really big and promising for the future.
That makes sense. How have you thought about the chance you might face in the business?
Yes, Eva, of course. I think the biggest challenge will be competition with other business and managing finance properly, especially in the early stages.
Competition can be tough. How are you going to overcome those challenges?
I am going to learn more about business management and marketing. I will also use social media platforms to promote my product and attract more customers.
That's a good story. Are you planning to continue your education while running your business?
Yes, I am. I still want to continue my education because I fear education will give me broader knowledge and manage manage my business more professionally.
Do you already have a plan for your business capital?
For the capital, I will start saving money from now. I also plan to look for work experience first so I can understand how business works in real life.
That's so you are thinking seriously about your future. What skills do you think are important for an entrepreneur?
I think discipline, creative, and responsibility are very important. And entrepreneur must also be brave to take risks and learn from failure.
I agree with you. What are your hopes for the future?
I hope my business will grow successfully and become real known. In the future, I want to open opportunities and help other people through my business.
That's a wonderful dream. I have everything your plan will come time.
Alright, Siva, thank you. I believe that a good future start with good planning, strong determination, and hard work. Alright, thank you.
Bye bye.